Hello and welcome to my Kajabi landing page templates demo video. In this video, I'm gonna show you what are the templates available inside Kajabi platform for creating landing pages. Plus, I will also show you some tips and tricks that will save you 90% of your time when you will use these templates. So I'm gonna give you quick demo in this video. So watch this video till the end. Before starting this video, I wanna share two good news with you. Suppose if you want extended Kajabi 30-day free trial, then you can use the special affiliate link given in the video description and you can visit this special landing page to get extended 30-day free trial of Kajabi platform. So instead of 14 days free trial, you will get 30-day free trial using the link given in the video description. And also there is a very limited time deal. So suppose if you are interested in Kajabi platform, then you can claim 3 months of Kajabi subscription for just $99. Okay, so this is the best deal available. I have also shared this page link in the video description. Just go and check it out. Most people sign up for Kajabi and still don't make a sale for months. Not because the tool is bad, but because nobody hands them a system. So if you will sign up for Kajabi 30-day free trial or Kajabi 3 month for $99 plan using the link given in the video description, then I will give you my 4 bonuses for free. The Zero to Sales Roadmap, a launch blueprint, an AI prompt vault to go from idea to first sale, and a trust building playbook that turn strangers into buyer. So to claim all these 4 bonuses, all you need to do is just sign up for Kajabi platform using the links given in the video description and then email me at blogginglift@gmail.com with your sign up details and I will send everything over. So now let me show you what are the landing page templates available inside Kajabi platform. So to check all the landing page templates available inside Kajabi platform, you need to click on the website from the left menu and click on the landing page from here. When you will click on it, then you will see a dashboard like this. Here is 3 different options in front of you. You can start from scratch, like if you don't want to use any template, then you can design your landing page yourself from scratch. For this, you need to click on this start from scratch option. Next is browse templates. So suppose if you want to know what are the templates, that is landing page templates available inside Kajabi platform, then you can click on this browse template button to check all the templates. And suppose if anyone has provided you landing page template, then you can import that template in your Kajabi account by clicking on upload template button. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you what are the templates available. So I'm gonna click on browse template button to check all the templates available inside Kajabi platform. Okay, so let me scroll down a little bit and here as you can see, it is showing me all the templates available. As you can see, there are some sales related templates available here. Okay, as you can see, there are 11 templates for it. You can click on view all to check all the templates and this all templates are looking very good, I can say. Not all templates are best. Personally, this one is not looking good in my opinion. So there are lots of good templates available inside Kajabi platform for sales pages. And if you want to create podcast, then here are some podcast templates available as you can see. And also if you want to create link in bio type of landing pages, then there are some link in bio type of landing pages available here. You can check all the templates here by clicking on view all button. And as you can see, there are some thank you page templates available. You can click on view all to check all the thank you page templates available inside Kajabi platform. So this all templates are looking very good in my opinion. And also there are some opt-in page templates. So there are 11 opt-in page templates available. So if you don't want to start from scratch, then you can use these templates to save your time. And also there are some coming soon pages available as you can see. And also there are some legacy template available inside Kajabi platform. These are also very good. So if you want to use any template, then all you need to do is just click on this template and it will open it in a new pop-up window, which will look something like this. And here you can check the live preview of the template that you want to use. As you can see, you can check the live preview of this template so that you can decide you want to use this template or not. Suppose if you want to use this particular template, then you can click on it and you can check the live preview to decide you want to use this template or not. Suppose if you want to use this template, then you can click on get started button and then you can give it a name like demo landing page template. Okay, and here you can click on create button and as you can see, Kajabi is installing this theme in your account. And the best part is that you can customize this template very easily. Suppose if you want to change the heading, then you can select it and you can write whatever you want like this. Okay, and also all these templates are fully responsive to all devices like tab, mobile devices, and all these things. As you can see, these templates are fully optimized for mobile devices as well, so you don't need to worry about anything like how your landing page will look in mobile devices. So in this way you can use Kajabi templates. I'm not going to give you entire demo like how to customize everything in this landing page. I will create a separate video on how to create landing page with Kajabi platform. I'm just giving you a demo, a quick demo about how to use a template and how to customize it. So that's why I'm not giving you a full demo. Okay, so when you will customize your landing page, then it will be in draft. If you want to publish this landing page, then you can click on this drop down menu. You can click on publish button to publish it. Okay, and suppose if you want to change the details, then you can click on edit details and you can change the name of this landing page. You can change the URL of this landing page and you can decide you want to make it draft or you want to publish this landing page. And suppose if you want to optimize it for search engines, then you can do SEO of your landing page using this option. Okay, and you know what is the best part about landing page templates? You can pick any landing page template, you can customize it, and suppose if you want to sell it to your clients, then you can export it in one click. You can click on this three dot, you can click on the export button, and as you can see, page exported to email message is showing here. It means that this page is exported successfully. So when you will click on export button, then Kajabi team will send you the template which you can download it as a zip file. So let me download it first. So as you can see, I have successfully downloaded this page and it will be available as a zip file. So when you will share this landing page with your client or anyone, then they can go to their Kajabi dashboard, they can go to landing pages and they can click on this three dot and they can click on upload template button and they can select my device and they can upload this file from their computer. And as you can see, Kajabi has successfully imported this template in my account. So in this way you can create sales page or anything and you can sell it to marketplace or you can sell it to client, or you can design landing pages for your client and you can export that template and you can share it with your client. Okay, so in this way it is very easy to export and import templates in Kajabi account. And also I want to share one more important thing with you that will save you 90% of your time. Suppose if you have fully designed your sales page or opt-in page or whatever it is, if you have designed your sales page using Kajabi platform and if you want to create a similar sales page for your next product, then you don't need to design it from scratch or you don't need to import the template again. You can simply click on this three dot which is showing here and you can click on duplicate button. And as you can see, it has duplicated the same template. Here I can customize it according to my requirement and I can add my product detail here. So it is very easy. So these features will help you to save a lot of time. You don't need to design everything from scratch again and again. You can design it once and you can duplicate it and you can design the sales page or landing page for your next product. And similarly, if you want to design template for your client, then you can do it from your dashboard and you can share it with your client. So this is all about Kajabi landing page templates. If you want to test Kajabi platform absolutely free for next 30 days, then you can get extended 30-day free trial of Kajabi platform using the special affiliate link given in the video description. Also, you can claim 3 months of Kajabi subscription for just $99. This is a very limited time deal. If you are interested in Kajabi, then you can get 3 months of Kajabi subscription for just $99 using the link given in the video description. And I wanna remind you once again that if you will use my affiliate link given in the video description to sign up for either 30-day free trial or Kajabi 3 months for $99 plan, then I will give you my 4 bonuses, which are 0 to sales roadmap, a launch blueprint, a AI prompt vault to go from idea to first sale, and trust building playbook that turn strangers into buyer. You will get all these bonuses for free. To get the bonuses, sign up using my affiliate link given in the video description and send me your sign up details at blogginglift@gmail.com and I will send everything over. If you still have any confusion regarding Kajabi landing page templates, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found this Kajabi landing page templates review or demo or whatever you want to say, if you found this Kajabi landing page templates video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos like this.